All right, guys, it's Coffee Shop Startup Skills Review Day 2. Today we're going to be working on marking up the donuts. So we're going to be looking at this task right here. You're going to select 10 donuts to feature at your shop. You're going to mark up each donut price 50 to 80%. Now, you get to pick the percentage, but it must be the same for each donut. So, we're just going to make a collective decision for our startup company. Like, our company is going to mark up 70%. Okay? You're going to show your percent proportion, and you're going to work and show all of your work for each type of donut. Now, this is also worth 20 points. So, how to mark up? First thing you're going to do is you're going to work with your partner, and you're going to select those 10 donuts that you're going to put on your menu. Okay, so after we do that, we're going to decide what percentage we want to mark everything up. So like I said, for the examples we're going to mark up 70%. What we're going to do is we're going to calculate that percentage, and then we're going to add it to the original cost. So this is what that looks like. So let's say we picked the chocolate cake donut. Yesterday, we figured out that they cost 50 cents per donut. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a percent proportion, okay, and we're going to mark them up 70%. So here's my percent proportion. We're going to use part over whole equals a percent over 100 because this is a real world problem. So then we have our 4 spots that we know we can fill in, okay. So our 70 is the percent that we picked. This is what we're going to mark up our entire store. Okay, we know that this spot right here is always 100 because percent is always out of 100. Now the whole price of an individual donut is 52 cents. So our individual prices are going to go here. And then the part that we're going to mark up is our question mark. That's what we don't know. Okay, so then we are just going to cross multiply and divide. So I'm going to cross multiply 52 cents times 70, and I get 36.4. Then we're going to divide out our remaining 100, and we're going to get 0.364, which means we're going to add 36 cents. We're going to have to round 36 cents to the original price of the donut. So if it was originally 52 cents plus our markup 36 cents, our price at our coffee shop startup is that it's going to cost 88 cents to purchase the donut. The reason we're marking it up is so that we can pay for the cost of the donut and we can make a profit. So this is what we would put on our menu, that it costs 88 cents. Okay, so let's look at another example. Same thing. We're going to use that same percent and we're going to add it to the original cost of the donut. Okay, so let's say we picked the strawberry glazed. Yesterday we found out that strawberry glaze cost 55 cents per donut. So we're going to set up our percent proportion. We're still going to be using our 70% markup. Part over whole equals a percent over 100. We have our 4 blank places that we need to fill in. I know I'm marking up 70%, so I'm going to put a 70 in the percent spot. This spot right here is always out of 100 because we're talking about percent. The whole price of the donut is 55 cents, so I'm going to put that in the whole. And then the part that we are marking up, that's our question mark. That's what we don't know. So now we're going to cross multiply and divide. I'm going to cross multiply 55 cents times 70, and we get 38.5. I'm going to divide that by 100 because that's what's remaining, and I get 0.385, which would round to 0.39. So that tells me I'm going to add 39 cents to the original price of the donut for my markup. So I'm going to take my 55 cents and I'm going to add my 39 cents. So on my menu, I'm going to tell people that a strawberry glazed donut cost 94 cents.